We are back. Let's get this mic over. Right, let's get to it. We don't want any poncing about. We're out, we're in Soho, we're in Chinatown, and we are shooting wide today. I bought this in New York at B&H. It's a 13mm, so we're shooting on a Fuji, it's crop sensor, okay? So 20mm. We're not taking any prisoners with this lens, and the majority of my work with it is gonna be shooting composition, but I'm gonna be grabbing a few street portraits for you guys today as well, at least one or two. I ain't necessarily gonna be shooting in the studio, shooting model. This light's a bit much, isn't it? We ain't worried about the light, we're cracking on. Okay, so I don't necessarily gonna be shooting work type photography in the studio with this wide lens. Who knows, I might. On the floor, low angle. We're open to anything, we're photographers. So I'm gonna get into Chinatown, into Soho, and I'm gonna give this 13mm a day in court, see what I can come up with. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed already, guys. Please do that, we've got some juicy stuff coming up. Stay tuned to the end, I've got a little something I want to tell you.
You're never here when my tears dry. You're never around to see me thrive. When it's my birthday or my day off, you got other plans and can't show up. But when life deals me a hand, all of a sudden you're the first to come. Always there to help and listen. You're just a friend when I come undone. I have to fall apart to get to see you again. You only have a heart when mine is bleeding, some kind of friend. If I would win the lottery, you wouldn't be happy for me. You're never around to see me thrive. When it's my birthday or my day off, you got other plans and can't show up. But when life deals me a hand, all of a sudden you're the first to come. Always there to help and listen. You're just a friend when I come undone.
What's your name, man?
Jonathan.
Jonathan, pleased to meet you. I know I'm quite close, but this lens quite wide. Hold up. I love his hair.
Yeah, okay.
He's got the coolest hair. Mate, one more look. See this red? Over here, look, in this corner. Come on, you'll love it, I promise. Just here. One shot. If you want the shot, I'll send it to you on Instagram. Okay. I'll send it to you. Okay. Just here.
Okay, no
Standing
problem.
here.
Okay.
Thank you. Ah, that's better. That's better light, man. Woodford. You know Woodford?
Okay.
Which is just past Stratford.
Okay.
Right, hold on. I'm going to get silly close because this lens. Got it, man. If you want the picture, I'm on Instagram. The Street Thief.
I have to fall apart to get to see you again.
You look so cool, man. No, it's no good. You let me down, fellas.
Some kind of friend. If I would win the lottery, you wouldn't be happy for me. But if I blew it all in one day, you'd be there to hug my pain away. Cause in tricky situations, you are the best friend that I've ever had. But it's such a funny feeling when you get enjoyment of seeing me sad.
Over here. Everyone knows you anyway. Right, hold up.
They do, yeah.
Right, hold up.
You're never here when my tears dry. You're never around to see me thrive. When it's my birthday.
Hey man, can I get your photo? You cannot say no. Because like the hat and this, just here, this, and then I get you together. if you want.
No.
So if you come closer, this lens is wide. So I get quite close, yeah. So if you look this way, and then bring your eyes, hold up, that's it. Yeah, like, just like that, that's fine, that's good, that's fine. Eyes to the camera, eyes.
You only have a heart when mine is bleeding. Some kind of friend. If I would win the lottery, you wouldn't be happy for me. But if I...
Well, I'm back. What was that like? So listen, I'm on a learning curve with this thing, right? So we'll stick with it. See all this water back up. Trying to drink more water. It's good for you, isn't it? I read this Jack Reacher book once. He said if you drink 3 litres of water a day, I think it is, you can do anything else you want. And Jack knows what he's talking about, doesn't he? What was I going to say? I said hang about, didn't I? First off, don't forget to check out the podcast, the Dare Photography Podcast. That's it, okay? Wherever you get your podcasts, check it out, the Dare Photography Podcast. We're about 9 episodes in now. Oh, and don't forget to grab yourself a copy of The Way of the Street Photographer. Is that upside down? If you haven't already. I've said it before, I'll say it again. It's a juicy little pocket book full of inspiration. It's going to get you out of jail when you need a shot of inspiration. You can fold it up, put it in your back pocket. Fear is all that stands in the way of the images you seek, says the street thief. Yeah, so check it out. Was there something else? I'm probably going to start doing this pretty much with every video. We'll see. See how the first one goes. Hashtag Dare Faces. Okay, the Dare hashtag. So we share your images, that kind of thing. There's an image of the week. Is hashtag I Dare to Shoot. But we've got a competition, and I'm going to share the winner on all my social plus these YouTube videos. So if it pans out, there'll be a winner at the end of the video every week, and you'll get some juice, right, on social media. So who knows, we may even come up with some prizes as well along the way. Let's see how it goes, okay? The hashtag for that is Dare Faces. The reason it's Dare Faces is because it's faces, portraits. I want you to shoot some portraits, hashtag them with that, post them on your wall, and then I'll choose a winner. I think I said this Friday, but I've got up until I do the next video on this first one, okay? Go on, I'm waffling now, and this light. Jesus Christ. Okay, right, let's get into character. We should say that at the beginning, really.
You're never here when my tears dry. You're never around to see me thrive.